Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I would like to show you another Ganzo or Firebird. Like they have changed the branding recently. So we'll be talking about the model F740 GR, and as always the second part of the part number or model number stands for the color option. Okay, so like always, standard Ganzo box, nothing new or special there. Bonus material, always good to see. At a value price, they also give you a bonus nice pouch, silica gel. Okay, so here's the knife. It has really nice contoured design. Fits really nice in the hand. It is a larger knife, as you can see. Sorry about that. And we have a nice, say, drop point blade. As always, 440C blade on Ganzo knives. So you will get G10 handle scales, of course, standard production issue on Ganzo knives, and we have a overall length of 23.3 centimeters, which is 9.17 inches. So really a nice large knife. The folding length is 13.9 or 5.47 inches. The blade length is 9.4 centimeters or 3.7 inches, and the blade width is 2.8 millimeters or the width of the blade is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The weight of the knife is 158 grams, which is 5.57 ounces. So it is a little bit heavy. And Ganzo will offer it in a few color variations. So you have your green, black, orange, and maybe also in carbon fiber, but I did not see that option right when I purchased it. As you can see, the locking mechanism is the axis lock from Benchmade. So this is strictly a proprietary patent from this company, but I don't know if the patent did not expire. Maybe it did, maybe it did not. The Chinese will copy it regardless. So really nice large knife, and the pricing on these is right around $19. If you are interested, you can purchase it on sites like GearBest or also on eBay. I will provide you a link where I did purchase mine, and also I give you a little bit of a comparison, size comparison. So here we have a standard Delica 4 from Spyderco, then a Kershaw Shuffle 2. Also, if you are I have here on the table my old bird Kera from Spyderco. So you can see is a really large knife. This is compared to a Endura sized knife. So really nice design. The pocket clip is stainless steel, of course. Liners are also stainless steel and are milled for weight reduction. This is really good to see at this price point. They certainly did not have to do it, but yeah. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.